In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy S&P 500 on eToro. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get exposure to the S&P 500 index on eToro using the SPX 500 instrument, all in a few simple clicks. First, log into eToro. Make sure you're on the official website or app and that your internet connection is secure. If you use two-factor authentication, have your code ready so you can sign in smoothly. Once you're in, you'll land on your main dashboard with the search bar clearly visible at the top. Next, click into the search bar and type SPX 500. This is the ticker that represents the S&P 500 index on eToro. You should see it appear in the results as an index instrument. If you're ever unsure, look for the description that references the S&P 500 to confirm you've got the right asset. Click the asset to open its page. Here, you'll see the price chart, a brief overview, stats, and the latest market feed. Take a moment to review the chart time frame that makes sense for you and glance at the instrument details so you understand what you're trading. Keep in mind that SPX 500 on eToro typically reflects an index contract, not an individual stock or an ETF. Also note whether the market is open right now. If it's closed, your trade will be set as an order to execute when the market reopens. When you're ready, tap Trade or Buy. This opens the trade ticket. Make sure you're on the buy side if your goal is to gain exposure to the index moving upward. The sell side is for short positions, which is not what we're covering here. Enter the amount you want to invest. On eToro, you usually specify a dollar amount rather than the number of units. Check that your available balance covers the amount and be aware of the platform's minimum trade size. You'll also see optional settings like leverage, stop loss, and take profit. If you're new, you can leave these at their defaults, but always remember that higher leverage increases both potential gains and potential losses. Finally, confirm the order. Review everything carefully: the buy direction, the amount, any fees or spread shown, and whether it will open immediately or as a pending order. When everything looks right, click the confirmation button to place the trade. That's it. Your new S&P 500 exposure will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor performance in real time. As always, investing involves risk, so only trade what you can afford to invest and consider your strategy before you confirm.